What's up, growers? Welcome to Coral's Gardening. It's 7 a.m. in Melbourne right now, and I'm up early going into the garden because yesterday on my pumpkin I've noticed that one of the female flowers was about to open, and I thought today was going to be the day that it opens up. And you really have a small window of opportunity for you to go and pollinate your pumpkin flowers, just to make sure that you get most of the pumpkins that you can have this season. So this video is about how you can hand pollinate your pumpkins so that you can ensure a good reap of pumpkins and juicy pumpkins this season. Here's my beautiful pumpkin here. So I've said in a few videos before that it's important for you to get out in the garden, for you to be able to check for pests, to be able to check for diseases, to see how your plants are going. But here's another reason for you to come out in the garden every day, and it's to see how your pumpkin flowers are going. Now, early in the last few weeks or so, I only had male flowers, and now I also got female flowers as well. Yes, that's right, a pumpkin plant has both female and male flowers. Pretty smart, isn't it? So you need to know how to actually go and differentiate between the male and the female flower. So here you can see here, this flower here, it's a male flower. You can see there's one stem coming out here in the middle of the flower, and this is full of pollen. This yellow powder on there is pollen. If you look at the back of the flower, it's really simple, right? You don't have any balls or whatever. And now I'm going to take you to a female flower. See, this female flower is very easy to recognize because when you look inside, you can see it's a little bit more complex in here. And at the back, you got a ball, which is a little pumpkin waiting for you to add, you know, just like humans, right? To add the spermatozoid and for it to basically grow into a pumpkin, right? So this is kind of like a little egg that hasn't been pollinated yet. So how you do that? Oh, look at that! I got another female flower down here. So how you do that? Obviously I got bees going around in my garden right now, so I probably don't need to hand pollinate, but if you want to ensure a good harvest, it's always good to hand pollinate your pumpkin. So I'm going to show you how you do that. It's very simple. You take this flower here, the male flower, just snap it off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and remove those petals around it so that it's very easy to handle. So give me a second to do that. Okay, so I just removed the petals, very easy to remove, and now it's kind of like those little ear cleaning buds that you got in your bathroom, right? And all you do is you go and you rub that against the inside here of the female flower. So that's gonna get the pollen on this here. And I'm gonna do that to the second flower as well that I got here. So you can use the same flower that you cut off to do all your female flowers, okay? You don't need to have a different one each time. Now obviously if you got lots of bees like I do, you probably don't need to hand pollinate like I said, but hand pollinate, just ensure that all your female plants are being pollinated, okay? And this is it. This is how you hand pollinate your pumpkins. I'll probably do a video later in the season to show you the actual size of the pumpkins that I'm growing here. So it's now been a week since I hand pollinated the female flowers on this pumpkin plant, and look at that, this pumpkin really turned and it's growing quite well down here. And I got the other one that I showed on the video that I hand pollinated up here, and I got another one down there as well. So I can tell, given that it's grown that much, that the hand pollination worked really quite well. There we go. And this is how you hand pollinate your pumpkins. Very simple, isn't it? Nature has its way to be able to get pollinated automatically with the bees and other flies and whatever is flying in your garden, like maybe butterflies as well. But if you want to ensure a good harvest, you can go and hand pollinate yourself as well and be a bee working out in your garden as well. If you like this video, just hit that like button, and if you would like to see more content like this or support our channel, just hit that subscribe button as well. And you may want to enable the notifications so that you can know each time that I upload a new video onto the channel. And remember, it's never been a better time to be a gardener, so join the community and go gardening in your garden today.